Today we're going to be going to the Thing 1, Thing 2 birthday breakfast on board the Carnival Magic, then trying out the ropes course, and finishing up with some trivia.
Oh, they're going. You can go together, it's fine. They never want to leave each other. Now we gave you some booklets when you were coming in. At the back of those booklets is where you get those autographs. So just flip the...
I know, it's so sad, there's no Dr. Seuss music. You're devastated, right?
I'm devastated.
I'm singing the... I'm singing the... You like it?
It just tastes like peanut.
How was it?
It was great. I really like the improvements they've made. It really shows.
Okay. Cool little Easter egg here for the Cunard Line Carnival sister line. Did we win fairy tale trivia?
No,
We didn't?
we were horrible. We got 5 right out of
5
20.
out of 20.
4 teams of
Is that passing?
4 or 5,
No.
like that, or I don't know, 6, maybe the next.
There's a little birdie in the buffet. I hope he gets home.
You mean to the kitchen?
No, not to the kitchen.
She just squished it.
Really?
I've never seen you jump so bad. Afraid of a bird, you own one.
No, they're dead.
You did own birds.
They all died?
For watching, I'll see you next time for Debarkation Day.